Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In the previous video, we were able to make our concrete texture and also make it a little bit reflective by making it wet. In this video, we're making our cube. Let's get into modeling our cube into the shape we want. So it's going to be quite simple. Firstly, I'm just going to do control. I'm going to select my cube. I'm going to do Alt A, apply the scale. I'm going to go to edit mode, subdivide. I think this is enough subdivisions. Now I want to make it like a Rubik's cube type of object. If you remember how our reference was, it wasn't exactly like a Rubik's cube. It was a Rubik's cube kind of object. It actually had three cubes on like the top and stuff, but we can just do 4. If that's fine as well. You don't have to copy the exact same thing. So you just want to select when you subdivide your cube, let's select the edges. So just select this edge and alt and select the edge again. Then it's going to select everything along that edge. So I'm just going to do the same for this as well. And then I'm going to do for this, and for this. That should be all. Now we don't want it to select these faces as a so I'm just going to hit alt, and then I'm going to select this. Seems like we can't escape having that. So what I'm going to do is we'll come to vertex, and let's see what we can do here. Edge, we're going to do Control B and then move this along, and just drag this, hold shift and drag this. I think that is fine, but then when we do this, we have to deselect all of this and make sure we switch this from edges to face, and then alt select this, center one, alt select this, and then alt select this. Come here and just alt select the way I'm selecting. Just alt select this, I'll select this, come to this edge, so alt select this, alt select this, alt select this, alt select this, alt select this. I think that is it. Yeah. So what we're going to do Alt E and extrude manifold. So what that does is it's not going to create a new geometry, but it's going to give it this interesting shape. So you can see it's a bit bent, but we do not want that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do Control Alt E, extrude face along normals, and then do this. And we have our object. You can see it already looks really nice from here. So this is absolutely beautiful and I really like it. What we can also do is, just in case we have some weird geometry like this one. I did not see that, so I'm going to select this and select this. Is there anyone like that as well? No. So Alt E, should have face on normal, and I think that should have sorted that issue. Yes. So we have our objects. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to come to my object by tab. I'm going to hit A, M, by distance, and just to make sure that no geometry is intersecting. So we are good to go. Now obviously the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add, because when I'm done modeling this, I'm going to add a bevel. You can tell that this is looking really good. The bevel modifier is crazy. Since this is not, we can go a little bit crazy with this. I'm not crazy, the word is not crazy, but one more thing I'm also going to do is, you see this weird geometry issue. What we can do is we can come to geometry, and then from sharp to arc, so that just makes it a bit more better, and the intersection less violent. So what I'm going to also do is I'm going to come to amount, and then I'm going to mess with this until we find something we like. So something around here, and then obviously bump up that, and you can see, just look at here, you can look, if you look at the screen, you can see the differences in night and day. You can see how, look at the example. The reason why I kept being persistent about adding the bevel modifier is also the way it interacts with shadows. Like the way edges interact with shadows in real life is not the same you can like in default in 3D, because like I said, in real life almost everything has an arc to it. Like everything has a curved, you hardly find objects, even the tiniest object can never be as straight, or rather the hardest objects can never be as straight as what you have in like a default 3D scene. So that contributes to the unrealisticness. But by the time you add a bit of curve to it, it makes it more realistic, and the interaction with shadows are just absolutely insane. So I'm just going to do Ctrl Alt B so that we can have our this thing back to normal. So for this, we're going to be doing a normal texture, to be honest. Nothing too crazy, but I'm just going to quickly show you how to UV unwrap.
Hey everyone, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching through everything, and yeah, we basically have made our cube. In the next and subsequent videos, we'll be going over UV unwrapping, simply UV unwrapping our cube, and texturing our cube. I won't really go into the nitty-gritty of UV unwrapping. We'll probably take that in advance, but for now, just go over your cube, make sure that everything is okay, make sure you've applied all the modifiers, and make sure you've applied all scale and transform. See you in the next video.